Here's some big development in the Kolkata fake vaccination drive case. An IAS officer has been arrested here who ran this fake vaccine racket. In fact, this man, he made quite some sensational revelations. During the grilling, the accused Debanjan Dev revealed that he used to write letters to the government agencies and put receipt stamps on these letters to convince victims about the vaccine, to make it look legit. Dev claimed that he wrote a mail to Serum Institute officials seeking Covishield doses. Probe is currently underway. Remember, TMC MP and actor Mimi Chakrabarti was jabbed at that vaccination drive as well. There were over 200 odd people who actually got the vaccine jab that eventually turned out to be fake. IAS officer, supposed IAS officer, has now been arrested with this regard. Prema Rajaram for more details on that. Prema, do tell us who this man is, a supposed IAS officer who seems to have very tactfully managed to get stamps and seals from the government itself only to convince people that these vaccine jabs were legit.
Debanjan Dev went around saying he's an IAS officer and in fact even had vaccination camps for the COVID-19 vaccine, against the COVID-19. And he had held one of these camps in Koshba where Mimi Chakrabarti was there. She had taken the jab, and after which the racket was busted, and he only claims to have held these vaccination camps in two places, not any more than that. However, police are still looking at all possible angles. The detective department office has formed a special investigating team and they are looking at this probe. They have already found 8 bank accounts so far, but more people, about 10 people, have been summoned for questioning. There have been 3 arrests that have already been made. So they're looking at all possible aspects of this case. He did write letters, like you mentioned, to government agencies and would in fact write the reply also, so that when he would go to victims, he would show these replies to people and convince them. So various aspects coming out in this case, but police looking at all possible aspects to see what aid this amikacin which was used as the Covishield, because he used the fake label of Covishield as well. So that is one part. The second part is, where did he get the funds? Thirdly, the bank accounts, and one of the bank accounts they've managed to find through which he's to pay his staff. So Debanjan Dev, many more aspects emerging in this case, and it doesn't just stop here. Also the fact that the BJP hitting out at the Trinamool Congress, saying that he was seen with many influential MPs and MLAs. Back to you, Nabila.
Yes, with those details, this man has been arrested now. Investigation